Gĩikaro-inĩ na mũingĩ igũrũ rĩgiĩ wĩyathi wa rũhonge rwa magoti, acirithania a Igooti itũgĩru nĩ marekorire haceke gũcokia ciũria harĩ mũingĩ ũrĩa ũrekinyĩtie gĩikaro-inĩ gĩkĩ igũrũ rĩa wĩyathi wa igoti rĩrĩ.
We are supposed to be a constitutional democracy. Okay, we are a constitutional democracy. But from where I stand, we are a wobbly democracy. At times I wonder, are we a failed democracy? Are we a catalyzed democracy? Are we a democracy sui generis?
We have a feeling from the civil society fraternity that we are not tightening the space for people who hold responsibility, especially at National Assembly, county assemblies, and people at the executive.
Anyiti itemi arĩa marekinyĩtie makĩenda kũmenya kana hihi rũhonge rwa magoti rũrĩ na wĩyathi wa gũtua matua ma waraganu hatarĩ kũguoyohio nĩ thirikari.
After the 2017 election petition case, it's like you are developing cold feet, the Supreme Court. It's like you've been intimidated by the state and you are losing your grip. As human rights defenders, we are scared that things may not go the pre-2017 where you exhibited the boldness, the courage to confront human rights violations. The perception we have is that you are now intimidated.
Mwena wao acirithania igoti rĩrĩ makiuga ikundi cia gũtetera mũingĩ na anyiti itemi ngũrani onao nĩ mũhĩnga harĩ matua ma watho.
We hope we're not intimidated by the state. We hope. But also, and we plead with you to understand us. Intimidation also does not come also from the state. Intimidation will come from religious groups who say, you must decide this way. So in the end, we just have to look at what does the law say?
But now we have a socio-political organization which is funny, where the opposition has been bought or married, or I don't know whether I'm supposed to be saying this here, but that is where we are in.
The Supreme Court has many times brought down temperatures in this country through the decisions that we make, and we are normally not celebrated at home.
Oho rũhonge rwa acirithania rũkiuga matua maruo matuagwo ta ũrĩa watho wendekithĩtie hatarĩ kũingĩrĩrwo nĩ ikundi cia nanja.
So we have to be careful always as judges that we are keeping within what we call the boundaries of the law, even where we hear and we may sympathize, but our hands are tied by the law.
Gĩikaro gĩkĩ kĩa mathaa merĩ kĩrarehete hamwe acirithania kuma igoti ikaru na anyiti itemi rũhonge-inĩ rwa magoti na acirithania gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ. Andũ-inĩ ha Inooro TV kuma gũkũ Mombasa, niĩ njĩtagwo Francis Madi.